Hello, Mr. Cooking. We're doing cooking today.
What are we going to cook today?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms?
Yes.
Not mushrooms. It's sweet and it's squishy and it's pink.
It's
What is
jelly.
Kind of bit like jelly. Uses gelatine.
Gelatine.
Yeah, it's not jelly, but it's squishy and yummy and sweet and pink. What is it?
Flour.
No, it's marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Do you want to make marshmallows?
Oh dear.
Do you like marshmallows?
Yeah, why not?
Why not? Okay, let's make marshmallows.
Come in the cookie. Join us.
Join us for some cooking. You will need 28 grams gelatine, 440 grams caster sugar, hot and cold water, rose water or other flavouring, food colouring, a small bowl, a large bowl, a non-stick pan, a wooden spoon, an electric mixer, a spatula, a saucepan, a teaspoon, scales, butter, corn starch, icing sugar, a sifter, and a sharp knife. So measure your ingredients. What have you got here, Julia? What's that? It's gelatine. First, we are going to put some butter on our pan, okay? We're going to grease the pan. You want to do that, Julia? Get a little bit of baking paper and rub it onto the pan, okay?
I'll show you how to do it.
Okay.
Watch me.
Okay, next we're going to get our water. Hello! Come over here, Julia. Can you help me? Can you put the water into the bowl? Put that in.
I'll do it all by myself.
Good girl.
Just tell me when you stop.
Water into the little bowl, a small bowl. That's it. Good job. And we want to get the gelatine, hang on a sec, gelatine, and sprinkle it on the top. Can you do that? Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, well done. Put the gelatine aside for a few minutes. And then next we need 1 cup hot water.
Hello, join in the cookies.
All right,
Just
now
one. We're getting some hot.
we've got our
Ice.
hot water, okay, and we're going to put our hot water into the saucepan, okay?
I hate saucepan.
Do you?
Yes, dear.
And also the sugar. We've got our sugar. Let's put that into the hot water. So put on a medium heat and we want it to boil. Just give that a little stir and then we want it to boil, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now that the sugar has dissolved, we want it to boil. Okay, Julia?
Yes.
It's boiling!
It's boiling.
Yeah.
How exciting.
Okay, now we need to put in the gelatine. Okay?
I'll put that in.
I'm going to push it in gently. That's it. We've added in the mixture and we're just going to boil it for 20 minutes. What are you going to do, Julia? While it's boiling.
I'm going to play.
Okay. Okay, so don't let it boil too fast, but just let it boil for about 20 minutes. Where's Julia? Oh, there's Julia. Julia, how long has it been boiling?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Is it ready yet?
I don't know.
I think so. We have a look? Yeah? How's that? That looks about ready. And now we are going to turn off the heat and let it cool for a little while. So the mixture has cooled down and it's just still a little bit warm. First, let's get some rose water, a little bit. Can you help me with that? Can you let's measure 1 teaspoon.
They're very sticky.
Oh yeah, 1 teaspoon. Can you smell it? It smells beautiful. Can you smell it?
Look at
Yes,
this.
nice.
I want to do it.
Can you put it in? Well done. Okay, don't need to mix it. And we need to put a little bit of pink food colouring. Just a tiny little bit, I think. Let's try. Ooh, do you think that's okay?
Yes.
Let's try that and see how that goes. Pop it in. That's it. Can you turn it on? Let's go. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to mix it for about 5 minutes, okay? Wow, Julia, how's it going?
It's doing my job so you don't get to do it.
Okay, you do it. Okay, Julia, what does it look like now?
Look like yogurt.
Sort of a very thick kind of mixture. We have to get this mixture and put it in our pan.
I'll do it.
Can you do that?
Yes, I will.
Carefully. Can you pop? Ooh. Whoa. Wow, that's exciting, isn't it? Let's get the spatula and get it into the pan. Okay, Julia.
Mum, shh. Okay, it's my turn. I get to talk first. Okay, we're gonna put the cake.
It's not a cake, it's marshmallows.
We're gonna put the marshmallows in the...
We're gonna leave them just so that the gelatine will set. What does that mean? Get hard, okay?
Hard.
Yeah, we wait 2 hours. Okay?
Just
So
1 hour.
somebody needs to lick the bowl. You want to lick the bowl?
Yes, please.
Okay, you can. Where's Julia? Where's she gone?
Surprise!
Hi, Julia.
Surprise!
Okay.
Surprise!
So we have the marshmallows and they have been setting overnight for 1 night and we're ready to take them out of the pan. And what are we going to do with the knife? We're going to...
Cut them out.
Yes, okay. So we're going to get some cornstarch and some icing sugar.
Icing sugar.
Yes, and 1/2 cup of each. And
Icing
sift
sugar.
it into the bowl. Get a sifter. And do you want to put it in?
Yes.
Pop it in there. Yay. And the other one, same time. There you go. Oh, oops. Okay,
It's my...
you do it. Little gentle ones. Gentle sifting. Good girl. Give it a little stir. Mix it together. Put it in and sprinkle it on top of our yummy marshmallow. Good, and we're going to sprinkle it on the top like that. Yeah? So next we're going to get a little bit more of this and sprinkle it on our table surface.
Okay, I will do that.
That's it. And sprinkle, sprinkle. That's it. How's that? That looks good. And let's try and get this out of the pan. Woohoo! Just gently get on the sides.
Just gently.
Let's see if we can turn it over. It's not coming. Oh, it is coming. It came out, Julia. Ooh, okay. And let's just put a little bit more on the top, okay?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? There we go. Ooh, oh! Oopsie. Okay, so sprinkled some on the top. We've got some powder on the top and underneath as well. And now we're going to try to cut it. And we've got our knife and we just sprinkled just a little bit of powder on the knife as well. And we're going to try cutting it in straight rows. Good job. And so then you can see we've got like a long rectangle. And now they're cut into little pieces. Gonna pop them in the leftover
I'm gonna do
powder.
that.
Yeah, just roll them around inside, just so they're a little bit coated on the outside.
Lolly sticks.
Do you like that?
Yes. They look delicious.
They look delicious.
Yes.
And just get the extra sugar mixture off by shaking them in that for a minute, and you're ready. What's the last thing that we have to do?
I don't know. Try them?
We've got our marshmallows. And what are we going to do?
I don't know.
You want me to eat them all? You want to try one. Do you want to try one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I'll pick
Let's
one.
try one. Ooh. What does it taste like, Julia?
Very good.
Very good. Is it sweet?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it squishy?
Yes!
Squishy. Oh, they're very soft, aren't
Can I
they?
have them? Just
Yeah.
the last one.
One more.
Look, they look. They are pink.
Oh, they're delicious.
They look delicious and they are soft and they're called marshmallows. Do you know why? Because they're made from sugar. Am
They
I
are
right?
so soft, aren't they? And they're so much yummier than the ones you can buy in the shops. So try them. They're so easy. Why did you like making it?
Because they were very yummy.
Yeah. Were they easy? Yeah? And did you like playing with all the sugar at the end?
Yes.
Was that your favourite?
Yeah.
Yes. Try them. They're really easy. Thank you.
But-
See you next time.